Hello and welcome to our video lesson on Activity 4.2 from TLE using FreeCAD, of course. You need the official app to do this, which is available on the original website FreeCAD. Yeah. But to start off everything, what you want to do is use the part design, which you can see here. Then create a sketch to start everything off. Select the first option, which is the XY plane base. And then what you want to do is create a rectangle, a big one. Okay, you then create a secondary rectangle inside the first rectangle that you have just created. Just like that. Now that we have the rectangles, the next shape to make is the circle. And how do you do that? Simple. Click the circle icon and select center and rim point. You then move your cursor to the red dot that you can see on the points of your inner rectangle. Make sure the red dot is yellow so that for it to work. Click it and then you start releasing circles. Same applies for the other sides of the rectangle, the inner rectangle. Yeah. Just click it. Make sure it's yellow. Wait, no. Click it. Make sure it's yellow. Boom. Now, in order for the circles to have the same dimensions, click all the circles one by one and hold Control after clicking each of them. So, click this, hold Control, click this, hold Control, click this, hold Control, click this, hold Control. After that, press the icon that looks like an equal sign, also known as the equality constraint. Here. Then there you go, all the circles have equal dimensions. But it's not over yet, we're also going to be focusing on the rectangles. Okay. First up is click the upper left and lower left point of the inner rectangle. And also click the x-axis. But then after clicking them, press the icon that looks like the more than and less than symbols, which is also known as the symmetric constraint. If it turns orange, go ahead and delete what the text in orange says. Please remove the following within that constraint, number 16. So we're going to go ahead and scroll here, delete number 16. You'll then notice a red arrow on the left line, and that's how you know that they're already symmetric. Next up is click the upper left and upper right points of the inner rectangle. Also click the y-axis. Same thing as first, click the icon. If it turns orange, then delete what the text in orange says. Delete number constraint number 13. And delete constraint 13. And then the inner rectangle is already symmetric. Of course, we're also going to do the same thing on the outer rectangle. It's still the same process that we did on the inner rectangle. So click this point, click the x-axis, symmetric icon. If it turns orange, just follow what the text in orange says. Delete constraint number 8. Click this dot, click the y-axis, click the icon. Follow what the text in orange says. Delete constraint number 5. And there you go. Since we need to have the exact dimensions for the circles, dimensions of their places. For the circles, create a line on the upper left rectangle that connects the inner rectangle's dots. So it's like this. Boom. Then select the line that you just created. Select the outer upper horizontal line and click the icon that looks like an angle. Then select just one of the circles because they're all equal height. Set the radius to 5.